Well, hello! In today's video, we are going to continue the $100 paint job. Let's get into it.
Still got to do a little bit of sanding here and just do a little bit of body work here and there. And we're going to lay some paint to this bad boy and get it all painted up. So if you guys are interested in watching like a time lapse of this little thing here and just seeing the final result, stick with us here. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Got the drive shaft made for the truck. Dad's talking about painting it green like the truck. What do you all think? Comment below. I don't know if that would look right. So where's the bed coating gonna go here?
Down here, down there, and all across the rockers.
The bottom of the rocker's gonna be that bed
Yeah, I'm
coating?
gonna do the fingertip.
Rare. Rare.
Where's it rare?
People have a hard time finding them.
I got 6 cents.
Alright, today's the day. The inside of the cab's gonna get painted. The doors are gonna get jammed out. Everything's gonna be green within the truck. The dash is already painted gray. You guys seen that. Anyways, what do you guys think should be in there for seats? Like, should it have the original bench seat there? Some leather seats, buckets, custom console maybe? Just let us know down in the comments below what you guys think. Anyways, we're making progress. Professional tape up job there. If y'all never saw our first video when we started painting, this is a $100 paint job. Once the whole truck's painted and everything. $100. Well, got everything basically painted what needs to be green. This back here, that's going to be bed coated, but it's also going to be the green color. Same with the steps here. Will be bed coated and the bottom side of the rocker panel. Speedo liner, bed liner, tintable. So you mix the paint color with that and spray it. So 4 ounces of paint, 3 ounces of that stuff.
8 ounces of this.
Look at that, respirator. Looking good though. Well, there it is. Stuff's all done in the rocker. What do you guys think about doing in that stuff? I think it looks right. Tomorrow we'll come out and pull this paper off and give you the final look. Why?
Not letting that crap dry and try to peel that off.
Ain't gonna let it dry. You guys will see it tonight. Which you would see it like instantly anyways. But, oh yeah. Well guys, I think it turned out pretty good. Leave it down in the comments below. Do you guys think this was a good decision to put the bed liner on the bottom of the rockers and on these steps here? I think for just function wise, it's a great idea. I think it looks pretty good as well. And like I said, it's gonna keep the noise down inside the cab, just because this stuff is pretty thick. And someday it will get carpet, but honestly, that looks pretty close to the original floor covering that they put in these trucks, because they didn't have carpet. They had like a rubber mat by my understanding. So yeah, I'll be interested to see what the dash looks like once it's all pulled off with the green there. Looks good with that color. All right, we're gonna wrap this video up by putting the dash back together and possibly putting the doors on there, so the entire cab will basically be finished except the seat and console and whatever might happen with that. Turned out pretty dang good there. Looks good. Yeah. Let me get a light in here, kind of dark. Steel wool works wonders.
Sure, there's a wire diagrams.
What's going on in there? We got all kinds of weirdness going on. Hazards.
Wipers. Oh, we gotta put more switches in.
Yep, those do look a lot better. A little bit of heat persuasion's doing it well. I wonder what was on there. I bet it was a hula girl. For this dash pad to try and get it back alive, I'm gonna try and use some saddle soap. It's usually for leather, but I think it'll work about the same. Looking good. Coming together. Well, the dash is basically all together. Just got that on there to see what it looked like. You need the adapter still to make it fit right. It turned out pretty good. Paint inside the cab looks good. These turned out really good. Yeah, I mean, that used to be all just rust, and that was just made from scratch there. Not gonna get the doors on today. I'll wrap up the video and we'll start the next video by putting the doors on. And what else we gotta do after the doors? Drive shaft right there. Radiator, do all that. All that stuff. And we'll be ready to move. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you're looking for a 70, 71, what other years? Maybe 69, 68?
Let's do a lot of years, huh?
No. This looks like the right Sweptline dash you need. This is an AC dash here.
It's out of 68.
Out of a 68. And everything you see here, you will get. And nothing more. And the dash pad, it's actually pretty solid. It just has a crack there. And I mean a little one there, but other than that, it's not too bad. But yeah, AC dash, shoot us a price, we'll let you know. Shipping will be expensive, so if you're in Missouri, it'd be best. Or if you're willing to drive.